There's something many people don't realize. When your mood is unstable, when anxiety spikes out of nowhere, when you feel foggy or unmotivated, your brain may not be broken. It may simply be inflamed. Not dramatic inflammation, not something a scan would detect, but subtle chronic neuroinflammation that quietly disrupts mood, energy, and emotional regulation. The good news: your body has built-in tools to reduce that inflammation. And two of the most powerful come from nature: omega-3 fatty acids and phytonutrients. Welcome back to Nourish Your Mind. I'm Anna, and today we're diving into the nutrients that literally help your brain think, adapt, heal, and feel better. When we talk about omega-3s for mental health, we're mostly talking about two types. DHA, which is essential for infant brain development and critical during pregnancy and infancy, and EPA, critical for adult emotional regulation and mood. DHA builds the brain, EPA protects it. EPA supplementation reduces depressive symptoms, promotes better emotional regulation, and shows improvements in impulsivity and irritability. The sweet spot? 1 to 2 grams of EPA per day, or choosing a supplement with a 2.1 or 3.1 EPA to DHA ratio. How do omega-3s actually support your mood? They work in two essential ways. First, they keep your neuronal membranes fluid. Picture each brain cell surrounded by a soft, flexible membrane made of fat. If the membrane is healthy, signals pass smoothly. If it's made of the wrong fats, especially excess omega-6 from processed seed oils, communication weakens. Then, EPA helps reduce neuroinflammation. EPA competes with arachidonic acid, an omega-6 fat that creates inflammatory compounds. EPA crowds out that pathway, lowering inflammatory signaling in the brain. The problem with the modern diet is that we eat too many omega-6s from processed oils and too few omega-3s from wild-caught fatty fish. This imbalance fuels inflammation throughout the entire nervous system. The best sources of EPA and DHA are fatty fish, preferably wild-caught like salmon, sardines, mackerel, anchovies, and herring. Plant sources like flax and chia seeds contain alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, which your body has to convert to EPA and DHA. The conversion rate is very low, typically less than 10%, so if you're relying on plant sources, you're probably not getting enough. Now let's move on to phytonutrients. Phytonutrients are compounds that plants produce to survive heat, cold, pests, or stress. When we consume them, they trigger a gentle, beneficial stress response called hormesis that makes our cells stronger. These compounds help your brain increase neuroplasticity, calm the stress response, reduce oxidative damage, and lower inflammation. Let's look at a few powerful examples. Curcumin, the anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Curcumin has been shown to reduce depressive symptoms, lower inflammatory markers, and support brain plasticity. But here's the nuance. Curcumin is poorly absorbed in its raw form. So look for curcumin with piperine, black pepper extract, or bioavailable lipid-based forms. These help the body actually use it. L-Theanine, calm focus. Found naturally in green tea, L-Theanine supports relaxation without sedation, focused attention without jitters, and smoother stress response. It pairs beautifully with caffeine, which is why green tea feels different from coffee. Sulforaphane, the detox and neuroplasticity booster. Sulforaphane comes from cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale. It's been shown to regulate depressive symptoms, support detox pathways, and help maintain neuronal plasticity. To maximize it, eat cruciferous veggies raw or lightly steamed and chew well to activate the compounds. Cocoa flavonoids, the dark chocolate benefit. Dark chocolate lovers, this one's for you. High cacao dark chocolate, it means above 70%, provides flavonoids that decrease stress signals, lower inflammation, and support emotional resilience. The key word is dark, not milk chocolate. We're talking the real dark stuff with minimal sugar. Always check the ingredient list. If sugar is one of the first 3 ingredients, skip that chocolate. If this is helping you understand your brain on a deeper level, tap the like button. It genuinely supports this channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, this is the moment. You're learning how your biology works, and once you know that, you can finally start working with your brain instead of fighting it. Omega-3s calm inflammation from the inside out and support emotional stability. Phytonutrients strengthen your stress response, increase neuroplasticity, and protect your neurons. Together, they create a brain environment with smoother moods, more resilience, less reactivity, and better cognitive stability. And if you want help choosing high-quality supplements, check the link in the description. Next up, we're tackling 2 big questions. How do gluten and coffee affect mental health, and should you avoid them? The answer is more nuanced than most people think. See you in the next video.